We take a look at the last hour of radar, and you can see that the only showers that we have in East Texas are those east of the Trinity River. They are floating northward or moving northward through Houston, Anderson, Henderson, and now part of Van Zant County. They are on the light side, and you can see back off to the west, back down in central Texas, still getting rain, not immediately in that area where all the serious flooding has taken place. A lot of that has moved a little east of there, but still central Texas continues to get some massive amounts of rainfall. We also are keeping an eye on the tropics, of course, and we do have Tropical Storm Chantal formed in the Atlantic just off the coast of South Carolina, and the winds are at 45 miles per hour sustained with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. And the storm will make a pretty quick landfall later on tonight, somewhere close to midnight, and then continue to move northward. It'll weaken into a tropical depression, create some heavy rain there in the eastern parts of the Carolinas, but as it moves on to the north, it should be up into North Carolina by 1 o'clock Monday morning, and then we'll see where it goes after that as it turns back toward the Atlantic. But it is that time of the year when we are keeping an eye on the tropics as they get active. Here in East Texas, we're mainly dealing with the temperature, the heat, and the humidity, and we're seeing those temperatures in the 90s over most of the area. But back to the west, you can see that there are some showers that have cooled things down a little around Palestine, Athens, and Crockett as the heat sapped a little bit by those showers moving through the area. Forecast highs for Sunday afternoon, going right back up into the lower half of the 90s, anywhere from around 92 to 95 or even 96 degrees, as the forecast high has just popped up there to 96 in Lufkin. Next 7 days, 93 is your average high temperature. We'll be right in that range through Tuesday, and then creeping up a degree or two as we go through the latter portion of next week as high temperatures get into the middle 90s. Tonight, expect a low of 72 degrees. Skies will be mostly clear. We'll have a calm wind. And tomorrow there's going to be lots of heat, as we saw, 93, the expected high, sunny skies and south winds around 5 miles per hour. Over the next 7 days now, the heat is coming back after the little bit of a respite from it this weekend, and we'll be back up into the mid-90s. 20 to 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday across the area. So we will be seeing that summertime afternoon rain return. And in Deep East Texas, you're going to have that chance for rain again, perhaps as early as Monday, and about a 30 to 20% chance right on through Thursday. Your temperatures into the mid and perhaps even upper 90s there on Friday, with that high at 98. You can check that forecast anytime at KETK.com.
Thank you so much, John. Well, here at KETK